Hello, my name's Daryl. This is my homework channel, which translate to doing jobs around the house. So one of the jobs I had to do recently was to try and find a way to stop the clothes rack in the cupboards from bending the bars, just due to all the weight. Common problem, I guess. So I had spent a couple of years on the building sites, so I was able to pick up a bit of stuff, and what I ended up using for this job, just turn that around, just a bit of timber that I found. I think they do use them for their verandas, so I just cut that so it fits. I'll just show you what I did. So I just cut it to the length of the bottom of the floor there to the top of that shelf, so that fits in neatly there. And then I'll just cut the hole, so you can see the hole that I've cut there. So I've just drilled it and then used the jigsaw just to get that bottom groove. Alright, I'm going to put this camera back in its little slot. Put that in there. And then from there, which is pretty easy, I'll just zoom that in a bit so you can see it. So you can see how that bar will sit into that groove. So you just, that's the tricky part, is making sure that you get the right length of it. Drill it in the right area, and that's it. That's all you got to do, and that's that job finished. So I ended up doing all three of those, and they worked out pretty good. So anyway, I'll sign off. I'll sign off for now. This is Daryl's homework, and we'll catch you on another video. Bye.